Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective natural fat cutter drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken one aloe vera leaf. Chop off the ends and cut the sides. Remove the outer portion using a knife like this. Aloe vera contains healthful plant compounds. It has antioxidants and antibacterial properties, reduces dental plaque, reduces constipation, improves skin and prevents wrinkles, lowers blood sugar levels and very helpful in weight loss. Now we are ready with the aloe vera gel. Chop them into small cubes. Transfer them to a bowl of clean water and wash them well. Transfer the aloe vera cubes to a mug like this. Then add half teaspoon of fenugreek. Fenugreek reduces the risk of diabetics, improves weight loss, reduces inflammation, reduces the risk of heart and blood pressure, relieves pain. To this add 1 cup of lukewarm water. The essence and benefits of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. Cover and rest overnight. Next morning open and check. The aloe vera is well soaked and ready. You can either strain and then consume the drink or chew and eat the aloe vera pieces. Then add a tablespoon of lemon juice to the mug. Lemon boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Give it a good mix. Now a healthy and natural fat cutter drink is ready. Enjoy this drink right away for best results. You can consume this drink on an empty stomach to get the full benefits of the ingredients. This drink improves your metabolism and cuts down your belly fat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this natural fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.